Are you looking to add your college information to your Gmail account? It's a straightforward process, especially with the new update. Today, we'll walk through the steps together, so you can get it done quickly and easily. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Log into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're on your Gmail inbox, focus on the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the Settings menu. In the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to a new page filled with various options. Now, look for the tab labeled Accounts and Import. Click on it and then find the link that says Other Google Account Settings. Give that a click. You will now see a series of options. Click on Personal Information to proceed. Next, scroll down a bit until you find the section that says Go to About Me. Click on that link to dive deeper into your personal profile. Once you're in the About Me section, look for the option that says Add Job and Education Information. Click on it, and you'll have the ability to update your educational background. Choose the option labeled Add an Educational Record. Fill out the fields with the necessary information about your college. Finally, once you've filled in all the required fields, don't forget to click on Save. And that's it. You've successfully added your college information to your Gmail account. Simple, right? Make sure to explore more features to personalize your Gmail experience.